Hello, today is Tuesday, September 1st, and you are working on module lesson number 2. So yesterday you were working on multiplying by 10 on a place value chart. So for example, if you had 10 ones, you can take those 10 ones, which is the same as 10 times 1, because each unit is 1, and you have 10 of them. If you take those 10 times 1, and move it over to the tens place, you now have 110. So 10 times 1 equals 10. Same with if you had 10 tens, 10 tens, 10 times 10 equals what? What would you do with these 10 tens? You would grab them and you would move them over in the place value chart to the hundreds place. 10 tens is the same as 1 100. So 10 times 10 is 100. Okay? Well, today we're going to talk about multiplying the units by 10 to 1 million. So let's say I have 10 1,000s. So each unit is worth 1,000. Well, I have 10 of them. So 10 times, what did I say each unit was worth? 1,000. So our equation is 10 times 1,000. And you're thinking, well, I don't know what 10 times 1,000 is. Well, actually you do, because if you have 10, you're going to take them and you're going to move them over in the place value chart, right? And what place value is next to the thousands? 10,000s. So you take the 10 to make one 10,000. So 10 1,000s is equal to 1 10,000, which is the same as 10 times 1,000 equals 10,000. So after you work on this for a while, you're going to be able to do mental math, and you're going to be able to tell people that 10 times 1,000 is actually 10,000. Or you're going to be able to tell them that 10 times 100 is 1,000, because in your mind you're visualizing this place value chart. You got this. Take your time. Go back and watch the math chat again if you need to. Have a great day.